Replacing discontinued contactors with newer models can sometimes lead to issues with excessive inrush current, which can exceed the ratings of standard control contacts. Firstly, use a pilot relay with higher ampacity contacts. This ensures that the contacts can handle the inrush current without welding or damage. Consider contacts rated for at least 50 amps to 100 amps, depending on the specific inrush current involved. Secondly, employ a soft start device. This helps to gradually reduce the inrush current, making it more manageable for the control contacts. Thirdly, consider using surge suppressors. Transient voltage suppressors, also known as TVS, or metal oxide varistors, called MOV, can be added to the contactor coil circuit to absorb and dissipate excess inrush energy. Fourthly, modify the control circuit. Increase the resistance in the coil circuit to limit the peak current. This can be achieved by adding a resistor or using a slower acting relay. Based on the provided information of 30 amps inrush current for 4 contactors and 83 milliseconds duration, the pilot relay's contact should have an ampacity of at least 50 amps. This provides a safety margin to account for possible variations in inrush current and operating conditions. Ensure that the relay's coil voltage is compatible with the power supply. Keep in mind that the relay's contact rating should be based on continuous operation, not just the 83 milliseconds inrush duration. Proper wiring and installation are crucial to prevent overheating and potential damage. Check the specific contactor manufacturer's recommendations for inrush current management. Use an oscilloscope to measure the actual inrush current to verify the severity of the issue. Experiment with different pilot relay contact ampacities to find the optimal solution.